Hello children, hearty welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation online classes. Class 8th, Subject Hindi, Lesson 4, Topic Satsang ka Prabhav. Satsang ka Prabhav means effect of spiritual discourse. It's a story about Lord Buddha and a robber named Angulimal. So, let's move on to the story children. अंगुलीमाल नाम का एक डाकू था. There was a robber whose name was अंगुलीमाल. उसका नाम सुनते ही लोग भयभीत हो जाते थे. People will be very afraid on hearing his name itself. He was such a robber that people will be afraid hearing his name itself. वह राहगीरों को मारकर उनकी उंगलियों की माला पहनता था. He used to kill the people who will cross his forest on the way, and he will cut off one of the person's finger and he will wear it as garland in his neck. धन अथवा किसी वस्तु का अपहरण नहीं करता था. He will not take anything, not even money or the things or jewels, whatever will be there. He will not take anything. But he will only kill that person and take one finger of him and wear as garland in his neck. श्रीवस्ती के राजा प्रसेवजीत और उनकी प्रजा उससे बहुत भयभीत थे. The king of Shrivasti is a place children where nearby this forest was there where Angulimal was living. So the king of Shrivasti, his name is Prasevjit, and the people of his kingdom were very very afraid of this robber. एक बार उस जंगल से महात्मा बुद्ध जा रहे थे. Once upon a time, Mahatma Buddha was crossing through that jungle or forest. तब उनके साथ रहने वाले शिष्यों ने बुद्ध को आगे बढ़ने से रोक दिया. So when he reached near the forest, the followers who was following Buddha, that followers stopped him and they were not allowing Buddha to move forward. उन्होंने बुद्ध से कहा कि इस जंगल में डाकू अंगुलीमाल रहता है. They will tell to Lord Buddha that there is a robber named Angulimal staying in this forest. वह मनुष्यों का वध करता है. He will kill all the people who all will cross this forest. लेकिन गौतम बुद्ध ने उनकी बात अनसुनी कर दी. But Gautam Buddha, he will not listen to the words of his followers. वे आगे बढ़ते चले गए. He just moved forward without stopping to listen all these things. जब बुद्ध अंगुलीमाल के थोड़ा निकट पहुंचे तो अंगुलीमाल उन्हें देखकर अचंभित हो गया. When Lord Buddha reached somewhat near to robber Angulimal was totally astonished to see that person. He was very surprised. सब लोग मेरे पास आने से डरते हैं, परंतु ये तनिक भी नहीं डर रहा है. Why he was surprised, children, do you know? He thought in his mind that people are afraid even of hearing my name. But how this person is so not afraid of me and coming near to me? ऐसे विचार से अंगुलीमाल बुद्ध को मारने के लिए दौड़ा. With all these thoughts in his mind, Angulimal will run near to Lord Buddha to kill Lord Buddha also. तीव्र गति से भागने पर भी वह उनके पास नहीं पहुंच सका. He ran and ran. He ran very fastly. But anyway, he was not able to reach Lord Buddha. There was no distance, children. He was not staying 1 kilometer or 2 kilometers apart from Lord Buddha. But he was standing nearby Lord Buddha. But what happened, he himself, he don't know. He started running fast, more faster. But he was not able to reach near Lord Buddha. Buddha khade the. Buddha was standing in his place itself. He was not moving from there. He was not at all afraid of Angulimal. He was standing as stiff as he was. अंगुलीमाल उनके तेजस्वी तथा तपस्वी रूप को देखकर प्रभावित हुआ. Now Angulimal saw Lord Buddha as God. He saw the sacred God in Lord Buddha and he was totally affected of that figure. वह महात्मा बुद्ध के चरणों में गिरकर बुरी तरह रोने लगा. He fell on the feet of Lord Buddha and he started crying and crying. उसके आंसुओं से महात्मा बुद्ध के पैर गीले हो गए. With the tears which came out of Angulimal's eyes, he washed away the feet of Lord Buddha. Lord Buddha's feet were washed away by the tears of the robber Angulimal, children. So he cried up to that limit. Okay. वह पश्चाताप कर रहा था. Now he was regretting. He came to know that what he has done is totally wrong. Now he was regretting for what all he did in his whole life. आंसू रुकने का नाम न ले रहे थे. His tears were not at all stopping. It was just going on. He was crying and crying. His tears were not at all stopping, children. बुद्ध ने उसे उठाकर अपने हृदय से लगा लिया. Lord Buddha, he will make the person, that is Angulimal, to stand and he will just give him a hug. Angulimal गौतम बुद्ध का शिष्य बन गया. From that day itself, Angulimal became a follower of Lord Buddha. भविष्य में कभी भी डाका न डालने की उसने प्रतिज्ञा की. He swore on his own that he will never do such type of things in his life again. In his future, he will not kill anyone, he will not rob anything. He just took a promise that day in front of Lord Buddha. वास्तव में सत्संग का अमिट प्रभाव है. Actually, spiritual discourse has a great effect on everyone's life. If we'll listen to that spiritual discourse, many things what we want to change in our life, what we want to make good, what is wrong and what is right, the difference between good and bad, everything is taught over there, children. And Lord Buddha was such a spiritual person. He was such a spiritual person that he made many people like this to live in a good way in their life. So one example we have in our front, that is robber Angulimal, who has changed to a very good person and he has become a very good follower of Lord Buddha. इससे बड़े बड़े पापी मनुष्य भी सुधर जाते हैं. How much a person may be bad in his life, by listening to spiritual discourse, the person can change to a very good person and lead his life happily thereafter. जैसे कि बुद्ध के सत्संग से अंगुलीमाल अच्छा तथा नेक इंसान बन गया. Like I told, children, Lord Buddha is the person who is very spiritual and he changed Angulimal into a good, or you can say a very, very better person. He gave him a very better life what he was living till that day. So, by listening to spiritual discourse, even a robber like Angulimal, when he can change his life to a good person, why can't we? We can become a very good person. Just listen to spiritual concerns and just be good in your life, helpful to others. Now, As the story of this lesson is over, children, now you can see the word meanings given over here. Just go through the word meanings, children. For next exercise, book back exercises and other exercises, we will meet in the next session. Thank you, children.